What's up guys, this is Niko here, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to use the clone command in Minecraft. This should work on both Minecraft Bedrock and Java Edition. The first step is you get the coordinates for two diagonal corners of your build. I'm now going to show you the method I use to get those coordinates. Open chat, then type in /clone, then hit space, then type in the coordinate below that tilde. Or if you're playing on your computer, press tab and that will type in the coordinates for you. Or if you're playing on console, press left or right arrow on the controller and that will type in the coordinates for you. Then hit space, then type in the coordinate below that tilde, then hit space, then type in the coordinate below that tilde. Now hit enter. As you can see, I got a syntax error because I didn't get the coordinates for the other diagonal corner. Go to the other diagonal corner of your build, then aim your crosshair at that spot, then open chat, then press up arrow or whatever button is on your device to get the command you previously entered, then hit space, then type in the coordinate below that tilde, then hit space, then type in the coordinate below that tilde, then hit space, then type in the coordinate below that tilde. Now hit enter. And as you can see, I have another syntax error message because I didn't get the coordinates of where I wanted to clone my build. So go where you want to clone your build, then open chat, then press up arrow or whatever button is on your device to get the command you previously entered. Now type in 3 tildes. By the way, typing 3 tildes is a substitute for typing the coordinates where you're standing. If you don't want to do that, you can just type in the coordinates manually. Now hit enter. And as you can see, I made a copy of this build. By the way, this command only allows you to clone blocks. It does not allow you to clone mobs, minecarts, or other entities. If you want your clone build to be the exact same as the original, go through and check to make sure you have the correct coordinates. I'm now going to show you the mask modes for the clone command. I'm first going to show you masks. So mask only allows you to clone non-air blocks. So the air blocks will not replace the blocks. So if I run this command, the air blocks will not replace the blocks inside. Because, well, there are air blocks inside this this build. But if I run the command like normal, the air will replace the blocks. I'm now going to show you filtered. So filtered allows you to clone certain blocks. So let's say I want to clone obsidian blocks. So let's do filter, and then I'll just type in normal, or you can type in move, which allows you to move the blocks, or you can do force, which ignores any overlap between clone region and destination. So let's say I want to do normal and I want to move obsidian, and then I run that command and boom, this command allows me to clone the obsidian blocks. Now filtered is kind of like masked, so the air won't replace the blocks. So if I run this command, the air will not replace the blocks. I'm now going to show you what replace does. So replace runs the clone command like normal. Boom, it just runs the command like normal. But let's say I want to move the clone over here. So So let's type in move, then run the command, and boom, I moved the clone region. Let's say I want to clone my build over here, but I get an error saying that source and destination cannot overlap. If you want to overlap, you can just type in the force clone mode, like this. Boom. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoy learning how to use clone commands. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.